I cannot upload the full uncensored version of this video on YouTube. If you want to see the full uncensored video, just click here on my blog. You can also find website link on the first comment that I pinned in every video. So without wasting any time, let's dive in to the video. Hope you like it. Let's go.
I read Sweet Petite Upbeat Babes and I decided to burp really loud. I didn't have to, but Cased. Bro, I'm sorry. Am I Julie's anonymous? Who else is anonymous? Everyone? Am I fucking up? Like what I do? I have my own mod. I got this. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Julie, I love you so much. Thank you so much for hanging with us. Oh no, I'm out there for like, I don't know, a little bit, okay? Or no. And then, yeah. I'll see you guys very shortly. There's no way I actually have the hiccups. Oh no. Okay, don't clip it. No! He ended, so I think the plans just got ruined. You know what I mean? I guess I do generally want to go on Ome now. I feel like it's at that point where like I need to go to kick. You know what I mean? There was a vid to watch, but now everyone that wanted to watch it is asleep. I can hear myself and it's gross. Let's go to kick then. Yeah, let's go to kick. But he ended. So should I stay on kick? I mean Twitch now? Should I stay on Twitch? Or should I go on kick and go on Ome? No, he ended. It's stuck. What the fuck?
Oof.